Hi lovelies, welcome back to my page. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my tomato paste. If this is the first time of stopping by, a very warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified when I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So let's get started. I will start by washing them with my vinegar. Once done washing, I will go ahead and chop up the tomatoes and take out the seed. I will repeat this process with the red bell pepper. The reason why I take out the seed is because it gives me a smoother result with lesser sourness. After chopping the tomatoes and bell pepper, I transfer all of it to a pot. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil until all the juice is released into the pot. The reason why I love cooking my tomatoes before blending is because it helps prevent addition of excess water while blending, and the consistency of the paste you get from cooking it for blending is much better than the consistency and texture you get from blending it. So let's check our parts. As you can see, it is done and produces a lot of juice. So I will proceed to take the pot off the heat. I went ahead and drained out the water, then left it for like 3 hours more for the rest of the water to drain out. This is how it looks like after draining out the water. 3 hours later, as you can see, this is the water that's drained out from the tomatoes. And look how beautiful the tomato looks like. Now I'm going ahead to transfer it into the blender. Blend it until it is smooth. Now I'm done blending it. I will transfer them into a bowl. See how it looks like after blending. Isn't it beautiful? The consistency and texture I got from this method is super excellent. Next is to portion the tomato paste into my freeze bag. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going ahead to transfer them into the freezer. This is how I store my tomato paste. Try this method, I'm sure you will love it. You can use it for your jollof rice, for your tomato stew, in whichever way you love it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified when I upload a new video. See you soon on my next video and remain blessed. Bye.